Right now, you're probably bleeding money without even knowing it. I'm not talking about a single bad decision. I'm talking about systematic mistakes that compound into thousands of dollars lost every single year. The crazy part, most people don't realize it's happening. You wake up thinking you're doing fine financially, but somewhere between your paycheck hitting and the end of the month, thousands just vanish. Today, I'm showing you exactly where that money goes, and more importantly, how to stop it. Let's start with the subscription trap, because this one is absolutely destroying your wallet. You signed up for Netflix 3 years ago for $9.99 a month. Then came Spotify, Disney Plus, Hulu, a fitness app, a meditation app, a meal planning service. The list goes on. Each one feels cheap in isolation, right? But when you actually add them up, the average person is paying $2,400 per year on subscriptions they barely use. That's not a guess. That's data from multiple financial studies. Worse, most people can't even name half the subscriptions they're paying for. You need to do an audit right now. Go through your last 3 months of credit card statements and highlight every recurring charge. I guarantee you'll find at least $50 to $150 a month in services you completely forgot about. The second mistake is having zero spending awareness. This is the foundation of all money management problems. You can't fix what you don't measure. Most people have a vague idea of what they spend, but vague ideas don't cut it. You need exact numbers. Try this for the next 30 days. Track every single purchase. Not in your head. Actually write it down or use an app. Food, gas, coffee, everything. When you do this, something magical happens. Your brain starts to notice patterns. You'll see that you're spending $180 a month on coffee runs. You'll realize you're hitting the grocery store 3 times a week instead of once. You'll notice that Target trips that were supposed to be for one thing turned into $150 purchases. These aren't character flaws. They're just invisible habits. But once they're visible, you can actually change them. Mistake number 3 is underestimating the power of impulse buying psychology. Here's what retailers know about you. Your willpower is a finite resource that gets weaker throughout the day. That's why they have sales right around 3 p.m. when your mental energy is lowest. It's why checkout lines are designed to make you grab items. It's why free shipping at 7 to minimum exists, to trick you into spending more than you planned. The solution is the 48-hour rule. If you want to buy something that's not essential, wait 48 hours. Put it in your cart. Leave the store. Step away from the website. 90% of the time, you'll forget about it or lose the urge to buy it. That impulse purchase that felt urgent? It wasn't. And that 20 here and 40 there adds up to hundreds monthly that you never even needed to spend. The fourth mistake is emotional spending, using money as a tool to manage your feelings. Bad day at work? You buy something to feel better. Stressed about relationships? New clothes seem like a solution. Bored? Online shopping gives you that dopamine hit. This is one of the hardest patterns to break because it's psychological, not logical. You can't budget your way out of emotional spending. You have to address the emotion first. When you feel the urge to spend, pause and ask yourself, am I actually buying this because I need it? Or am I buying it because I'm feeling something uncomfortable? If it's the latter, find a different way to process that emotion. Go for a walk. Call a friend. Journal. Do literally anything else. Your bank account will thank you. Mistake 5 is not having an emergency fund before you even think about investing. I know. You want to get into the stock market for beginners. You want to start building wealth. You want to see your money grow. But here's the reality. If you don't have 1 to 2 in liquid savings, the first emergency that hits will force you to go into debt or derail whatever investing progress you've made. An unexpected car repair, a medical bill, a job interruption. These things happen to everyone. That emergency fund isn't boring. It's your foundation. It's what separates people who build wealth from people who stay trapped in the cycle. Get that $1,000 saved first. Then start learning how to invest money properly. Then focus on the basics of share market investing and long-term wealth building. So here's your action plan starting today. First, audit your subscriptions and cancel anything you haven't used in 60 days. Second, spend 30 days tracking every dollar you spend. Get brutally honest about where money actually goes. Third, implement the 48-hour rule on all non-essential purchases. Fourth, identify one emotional spending trigger and replace it with a healthier habit. Fifth, prioritize building that $1 emergency fund before anything else. These aren't sexy tips, but they work. They've worked for millions of people who went from financial chaos to actually building wealth. Remember, this is educational content about personal finance and money management strategies. This is not financial advice, so always consult with a qualified professional about decisions specific to your situation. If you've been guilty of at least 3 of these mistakes, hit that like button. It helps me create more videos like this. Subscribe to this channel for weekly personal finance tips, investing strategies for beginners, and the real-world money habits that actually separate wealthy people from everyone else. And if you want a complete guide to managing your money better, check out the video pinned in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.